Error code 274 in Roblox signals server or maintenance problems. Here is a reliable way to handle it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Roblox is a massive online platform enjoyed by millions, but sometimes players encounter error code 274, which usually points to a server or maintenance issue. This error can disconnect your mid-game or prevent you from joining altogether. While frustrating, the problem is often temporary or easily resolved. With a few practical steps, you can troubleshoot the issue and get back to playing Roblox without interruptions. Here is how to fix error code 274. Method 1. Check Roblox server status. Error 274 usually signals that a game is undergoing maintenance, temporarily shut down by the developer, or Roblox itself is updating. It can also appear if your own network connection briefly fails. The first thing you can do is check Roblox server status. Here is how to do so. Visit Roblox's official server status page or community updates. If servers are down or under maintenance, wait until they are restored. If servers are fine, continue with the next steps. Method 2. Log out and log back in. Sometimes the error is tied to your account session. Refreshing your login clears temporary glitches and ensures you are connecting cleanly. Sign out of your Roblox account on all devices. Log back in on a single device. Test if the error disappears. Method 3. Delete Roblox log files. Corrupted cache or log files can interfere with game launches. Clearing them forces Roblox to rebuild fresh data, eliminating hidden conflicts. Press Windows + R, then type this in the run command box and press enter. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A and delete them. Restart Roblox and check. Method 4. Reset network settings. If the error isn't server side, it may be caused by DNS or Windsor corruption. Resetting your network stack ensures Roblox can connect properly. Open command prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. Restart your PC and relaunch Roblox. Method 5. Run Roblox in compatibility mode. Sometimes Roblox struggles with your current Windows environment. Running it in compatibility mode ensures smoother execution and bypasses OS conflicts. Right-click the Roblox desktop shortcut, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for and select a Windows version. Also check Run this program as an administrator. Relaunch Roblox. Method 6. Check your internet connection. Even if servers are fine, a weak or unstable internet connection can trigger error 274. Testing your connection ensures the problem isn't on your side. Run a speed test to confirm stability. Restart your router if needed. Contact your ISP if the connection remains unstable. Method 7. Wait for some time. Error 274 often resolves itself. If Roblox or the game developer is performing maintenance, patience is the only fix. Wait until the servers are back online. Retry after a short break. Fixing Roblox error code 274 is one of the simplest ways to restore your connection and keep your gameplay smooth. Whether caused by server downtime or local settings, these solutions will help you get back into Roblox quickly. If this video helped you solve error code 274, hit like, subscribe for more practical Roblox and Windows fixes, and share your own troubleshooting tips in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.